Today, we're diving deep into cabbage cultivation. If you do it right, you can see yields between 300 to 600 quintals per hectare. That's a lot of cabbage. We will cover everything from soil preparation to dealing with diseases, so you can maximize your harvest and your profits. Let's get started and turn your fields into cabbage gold mines. Cabbage is a smart choice for farmers. There's always good demand in the market, so you can be confident about selling your crop. Plus, cabbage stores well, especially if you keep it at 0 degrees Celsius with 90 to 95% relative humidity. Under those conditions, you can store cabbage for about 2 to 8 months. This gives you flexibility in selling your produce when the prices are right. Many farmers lose out on potential yields because of simple mistakes. Poor soil preparation is a big one. Make sure you are adding enough organic matter. Another mistake is choosing the wrong variety for your region and the time of year. We will tell you when exactly to sow which varieties, so make sure to stick around till the end. Don't let these mistakes hold you back. Cabbage soil requirements are similar to cauliflower. Heavy soils are okay. In fact, they can improve the keeping quality of the cabbage because they help the heads grow more compact, although they may slow growth initially. Good news is that cabbage is somewhat tolerant to salt. This can be an advantage in areas with slightly saline soils. In the northern Indian plains, you can transplant different cabbage varieties from October to January. This is a fairly wide window, giving you some flexibility depending on the specific variety and your local climate. Make sure you consider both when deciding when to transplant. Proper timing is the key to a healthy and bountiful crop. The amount of seed you need depends on whether you are planting early or main season varieties. For early season varieties, you'll need about 600 to 800 grams of seed per hectare. Main season varieties need less, around 200 to 500 grams per hectare. Getting the seed rate right ensures a good plant population without overcrowding. Spacing is another important factor for cabbage. For late varieties, use a spacing of 60 cm by 45 cm. Early varieties need a closer spacing of 45 cm by 30 cm. Proper spacing allows the plants to develop fully and reduces competition for sunlight, water, and nutrients. Nutrient management is crucial for cabbage growth. At the time of field preparation, mix 200 to 250 quintals per hectare of farmyard manure thoroughly into the soil. You will also need to apply chemical fertilizer. A general recommendation is 120 to 180 kilograms of nitrogen, 75 to 80 kilograms of phosphorus, and 60 to 75 kilograms of potassium per hectare. But this can vary depending on soil fertility, so test your soil. Cabbage is very sensitive to soil moisture. Irrigate at intervals of 10 to 15 days, depending on the season and the soil type. The goal is to maintain optimum soil moisture regularly. Cabbage is usually irrigated using the furrow method. Avoid excessive irrigation in the early stages to prevent superficial rooting and nutrient loss. Also, avoid heavy irrigation when the heads have formed, as this can cause them to split. Harvesting cabbage is all about timing. Harvest the heads when they are firm and solid. Use a knife to cut the heads, leaving some non-wrapper leaves attached. These leaves will protect the heads from bruising. Early cultivars take 60 to 80 days to mature, medium varieties take 80 to 100 days, and late varieties take 100 to 130 days after transplanting. Blackleg is a serious disease that can affect cabbage. It's a seed-borne disease, so it attacks plants early. The stem of the affected plant shows severe black discoloration, and the whole root system decays. You can control it by hot water treatment of the seed before sowing. You can also spray the seed crop with copper oxychloride or an organomercuric compound. Consider growing resistant varieties like Pusa drumhead. Downy mildew can also be a problem. It can infect plants at any stage of growth. Young plants show a white mildew growth, mostly on the underside of the leaf. Control it by spraying the seedling in the nursery bed with copper oxychloride at 0.3% concentration. This is a very effective way to prevent the disease from spreading. Splitting heads can be a major problem, reducing the market value of your crop. Avoid heavy irrigation when the heads have formed. Consistent moisture levels are important, but too much water at the wrong time can lead to splitting. Careful water management will help you avoid this issue. To sum it all up, Successful cabbage cultivation depends on good soil preparation, choosing the right planting time, managing water carefully, and harvesting at the right stage. Pay attention to these key areas, and you'll be well on your way to a successful and profitable cabbage crop. Good luck with your farming.